Hi kids, welcome to Tiny Prince Art Academy. Today's video is specially made to show you which colors I use for my tutorials. These are Camel oil pastels, pack of 50 shades, which come into plastic box like this with a scrap tool. Each color has 4 different shades. Like for example, yellow will have 4 different shades, blue has 4 different shades. So you have ample of choice in here. I'm not endorsing any product over here, but these are the best colors I have come across so far. Colors are slightly flaky, but dust it off using brush. Colors are easily breakable, but this is common with any kind of oil pastels. My yellow is already broken. I'm taking 2 more shades, red and pink. Colors are super blendable. This is the best medium. Kids can learn shading at early age. I'm taking 2 blues and a white. This is cerulean blue from your palette. I'm just going to coat outer part of the bird using this color. Taking light blue and creating one more rim around it. And blend it with white. But remember kids, you're not going to learn shading overnight. It takes time, dedication and practice. You can also experiment with oil pastels by using them as background or combining them with other mediums like watercolors. You have to press your color down for a deeper color. I'm using 2 different kind of oranges. One is deeper and one is lighter. Each time remember to clean surface using brush or just dab your book down, but don't clean the flakes with your hands because they will get blended with the background and they may spoil your picture. Again, there are around 8 type of greens in this palette. So you have ample of choice. I'm using yellow ochre and dark brown for beak. Hope this tutorial answers all your queries about colors. These colors are for 220 rupees. I will be giving you link in the description box. They are available online or you can buy it from any stationery store. Do buy from the plastic case because they prevent colors from drying. Follow Tiny Prince Art Academy on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next class.